What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've just done some research on a project that I think looks pretty interesting to me. It's has some popularity. It has many people that are talking about it. And when I see, when I do my research process, it's all about looking at the popularity. It's also about looking at the people that are consistently talking about it or have mentioned it, what they have to say about it, positive things, negative things, anything like that. And I like to bring you guys plays that potentially could be worth a lot, right? And as an investor, you want to find the time to where it's going to be worth the most for you, whether you invest at the bottom or you invest at the middle point, and hopefully you don't invest at the top. Because meme coins are plays that can eventually be able to build utility with an amount of hype that they could have, but also be able to grow people's portfolio in a massive way. If you're an investor, we're all looking for not only the quick gain, but the quicker gain, as well as seeing maybe the long term outcome of certain things. So being able to make money here, but also now taking some of that money and placing it into plays that are running the crypto market. And who's to say that this won't be one of those that's running a certain sector, which would be a meme coin sector? So we're going to talk about this pre-sale, which is Wall Street Pepe. This is a project that I've became aware of and did my research, went through my due diligence process, and now I'm bringing it to the channel. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you've heard of it, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I've seen a lot of positive things on YouTube, a lot of positive things on Twitter, and obviously you're going to have your fair share of people that just don't believe in something and they end up missing the boat completely or entirely on a play like this one. So we'll get into this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out all the links for Wall Street Pepe down below. I will provide those at the top of the description. Now, if we just start with seeing the people that are talking about it in different ways that are mentioned it, we have, if we go on YouTube and you could search for, you have many different videos that are talking about Wall Street Pepe. You have Claybro that's talking about Wall Street Pepe. You have Crypto Dex World that's talking about Wall Street Pepe. So again, having people that mention it is a big deal. So I like especially people that I've talked to before and that I've had conversations with, and genuine conversations with as well. Feel free to go and check out their channels if you guys want to. But this video is about this play here, Wall Street Pepe. Oh, Wepe, let's call it that, token, and trade like Pepe, buy Wepe, crypto pre-sale. Right now, it's currently in pre-sale. We'll go into those numbers in a couple of seconds. Wall Street Pepe hates that whales are hiding in insider groups, so he decided to make his own. Join the Wepe token army. The frogs strong together. Wepe community choose rich together. Wepe token insight trade like a pro. A mad degen plays. You can join the Wepe army here if you click that link. But if you wanted to know about the pre-sale, the current pre-sale is sitting at $35.5 million out of $36 million. Currently 45 minutes until, at the time of recording this video, 45 minutes until the next price increase. The current price is, one Wepe is 0.000365. You can buy with a card, you can buy with crypto. It's easy. They make it super, super easy in order to get to. You can also look at their chapters, different memes that they have there. So Wepe was tired of seeing legacy whales and corrupt KOLs manipulating the little guys, always bloating their wallets. So he decided to catch them out and flip the script. Obviously, you see the meme there, catching the whales and everything there. So you have different chapters you guys can check out. How to buy. You can simply, obviously, join the pre-sale. Today, you can buy with card, buy with a with crypto if you wanted to. You can also be involved in staking as well. And for me, what I like to focus on, especially when it comes to meme coin plays, is really the popularity. So again, around who's mentioning it, around what the overall followers are and what the level of impact is. And you have 27,000 followers, which is great to see that on Twitter. You have Elon Musk that's talking about different frog related coins. So the frog market is not going anywhere, right? It's going to be here for years to come, and we're going to see billions upon billions of dollars worth of a market cap. Now, one position that you want to look at, right, as a comparison, as a meme that's outside of just Pepe, right? You have Pepe Unchained, which grew by 7x before the market did come back down. It absolutely skyrocketed from a 1 cent price all the way up to a 7 cent price. It's currently at a $100 million market cap, seeing about $6 million worth of volume. Yes, the chart has come down, as you see the entire market that kind of has come down during this time. But when you see altcoin season happen, you're going to see many people that are looking for the next best thing, the next play to get into. And this is one of them. Wall Street Pepe is one of them. Pepe is one of them. Frog coins in general are going to be a big deal this year. Well, actually, let's say next year, because currently it still is 2024. Altcoin season still hasn't happened yet. I'm excited for altcoin season to see things like this that could run. Now, here are my honest opinions of Wepe here. So, Wall Street Pepe, one combines two things for me. If you don't know, I was a huge part of the Wall Street memes with AMC and GME and kind of attacking hedge funds and giving a chance for the little guy to win, while also understanding meme coins in the crypto market and understanding how strong the frog coin narrative and that will be. So for me, it means quite a bit because it kind of combines those two things. But when we understand meme coins, the idea for an investor is to make as much money as they possibly can, find a play that can eventually get them situated in life to now have their money work for them. And this could possibly be one of them. Now, with meme coins, you always have your risks, right? You have your risk at investing at the highest point, not getting out, early enough, or not taking profit so that you can live to fight another day or invest lower. Because if you don't know, investments are about winners and losers. So you have winners that will end up making a ton out of it. You have some losers that might end up losing a little bit or even losing a lot. And it all depends on what you do as an investor, right? So if you see a play, right, that you feel like is going to skyrocket 7x, 10x, 100x, you can then take profit at that 100x, at that 10x, at whatever level you want to. And then when you do see a retracement, because you do see retracements in every investment, you could then repurchase at a lower level and make more money accordingly and be a part of that up, down, those peaks and valleys that then end up pushing to skyrocketing, and you're happy with it the whole entire time through. So again, it's about how you want to play it, what you see within it. As you are doing your research into it or making this investment, whether it's $100, whether it's $10, whether it's $1,000, whatever, make sure you look at everything that you need to look at for your strategy, whether you're focusing more on popularity or more on what type of value you're going to get from staking or whatever. So let me know what you think about Wepe down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for anything else that I have down there. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.